Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the large element on your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the element is no longer working. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up our oven door. And we have 4 screws that we need to undo, all right up underneath the frame here. And now that we've got it unscrewed, what we're going to do is pull back slightly on this bottom panel so that we can get the metal tabs over the ledge that they're in front of, that they were screwed onto. And then we'll lift this up. And so now we're just going to put this piece of wood inside here and prop it up on the stovetop there, so that it doesn't fall down on us while we're taking things apart. You're also going to want to hold this bracket up while you undo the screws, because as you undo them, you can see it's getting loose and you don't want to drop either of your elements down there. So now that we've got this down here, we can pull the wires out, and it'll be a little bit easier than the other ones. Those ones are just stuck up there, and there's no other way to get it out besides undoing those wires first. We just use our flathead screwdriver for any of those stubborn wires. We'll pry those up. There we go. And what we can do is, before we remove these clips out of the holes that they're in, you can just take a pen or something and just mark where they're at. And then we're going to grab a pair of needle nose pliers and squeeze in on those clips in order to get it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement element, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we can put these clips back into place, and you're just going to line it up to where it was on the old one, and then just screw it down. And now what I'll do is I'll screw everything back into place. So now we'll just plug in our wires. Now you'll take your wood out, and we'll gently set the stove top down, because all of those burners are made of ceramic and they're a little bit fragile if you drop it down like that. And now we just have to line up the guide screws with the holes in our stove top. Now we can screw the trim back into place. And now you can close your oven door, and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, You can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.